Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, denim Christmas home decoration ideas I will share you. I hope you really like my videos. So let's start today video, friends. Denim viewers, denim crafts, denim Christmas home decoration. How say denim is just for jeans. This Christmas, give your home a cozy creative twist with denim decoration. Turn all jeans into rustic ornaments, festive clothing, and worth add lace ribbon or tiny bells for that perfect holiday spark. Mix denim blue with winter white for a chic farmhouse style look. For a friendly, stylish, and totally unique denim Christmas decoration, make your space warm, personal, and full of charm. Don't throw away your old jeans. Turn them into Christmas magic. And viewers, denim cozy and creative style, bring a touch of denim charm to your Christmas this year. From rustic wall to denim table runners, every piece adds warm and texture to your holiday home. Cut, glue, and decorate. It's that simple. Mix denim with pinkers, fairy lights, and silver ornaments for a cozy winter vibe. Your home will look festive, handmade, and full of heart. Friends, and viewers, so all jeans, don't toss them out. Turn denim into Christmas magic, socks and ornaments, and worth that. Wow, simple, stylish denim decoration never looked this good. Crafted, love it, and let your home shine elegantly in tunes. This holiday season, transform your home with the timeless beauty of denim, handmade garland, denim stars, patchwork socks, and bring a rustic yet elegant feel to your decoration. Each piece tells a story, simple, recycled, and full of love. Blend denim blue white with snow white and shimmering silver for modern farmhouse look. Creative decoration that warm and unique shades. So friends,